At $635 billion, Tesla is currently in third place, and it seems like a major fund manager has taken a stance. However, Cathie Wood is so excellent that you find yourself wondering, okay, well, what is Elon Musk going to do? Perhaps he has a lot in mind that she has considered. Elon Musk wants to completely revamp the grid, and I've always known that. Even better, this one will go down in history. Please read this conference call so that you can comprehend what a person is doing when he says, I want your money. 5,000 automobiles are on their way. Quit asking me pointless questions. I think more deeply than you do. On Mars, I'll see you. With Tesla being valued at $635 billion, it appears that a major fund manager is taking a risky step to prevent future declines. That may sound a little like a conspiracy theory, but that's the way the Tesla market works. Someone might be imitating Cathie Wood's tactics to support Tesla's stock and keep it from falling much lower. Can they, however, actually get its valuation back to $1 trillion? It's similar to attempting to reassemble Humpty Dumpty. Too many things stand in the way. However, Tesla's worth may rise significantly when its new models are introduced across the country. What we will be talking about in this video is this fantastic turn of events. Please remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons before we go any further. Let's get started. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's turn our attention to Jim Cramer's most recent comments. At CNBC's annual Investing Club meeting, he emphasized his belief that there won't be another Nvidia. In a market as volatile as today's, it's almost rare to find a firm with Nvidia's remarkable revenue growth. Cramer thinks that Nvidia stands out with possible trillions on the table because of its success narrative, which is powered by artificial intelligence. Finding another business with such a sizable market to itself is difficult. Let's now discuss trillion-dollar businesses. The top players in this group are Nvidia, Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Apple. Are there any other potential candidates in the $600-700 billion range? With a market valuation of $885 billion, Berkshire Hathaway, under the leadership of Warren Buffett, might have a shot. Buffett is still cautious, though favoring methodical investments over rash purchases. Could its investments in firms like American Express and Coca-Cola help it reach trillion-dollar status? Time will tell. Even if Jim Cramer's observations frequently contradict popular belief, the truth is that only a small number of businesses, such as Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Nvidia, have seen notable increases in their market capitalization in recent years. These businesses belong to a select group that has reached the trillion-dollar barrier, highlighting the tremendous obstacles that other businesses striving for comparable market valuations must overcome. In comparison to other market participants, Tesla's stock appears to be a little static. Tesla is still having trouble gaining traction, even though Bitcoin is once again on the rise. Why? In other words, it's not making a lot of money. When earnings increase, stock values often climb as well, but Tesla's earnings are declining. Tesla is more expensive than industry titans like Nvidia and Microsoft at a staggering 45 times earnings. Thus, even with its downturn, Tesla is still an expensive investment. Let's now discuss Cybertruck. Rivian is making inroads into the electric car market, but is the Cybertruck capable of taking center stage? At almost $100,000, it's a cool ride, but it's more of a luxury good than a contender for the general public. Tesla must increase accessibility if it hopes to reach the desired 250,000 units. However, keep in mind that sales of the Model Y and Model 3 continue to be Tesla's mainstay. What about that assertion regarding the Roadster? It sounds thrilling to go from 0 to 60 in a second, doesn't it? Well, perhaps a little too thrilling. In all likelihood, it will send you airborne rather than smash speed records. Let's face it, a car that quick might be too much for the typical person to handle. Elon Musk may be trying to outdo the competitors out of ego. Tesla's growth potential is still encouraging in spite of the difficulties. Over the coming years, analysts anticipate EPS will expand by 28% annually. Tesla's finances might grow much more with the addition of superchargers, fully autonomous vehicles, and possibly robotaxis as revenue sources. Not to mention the upcoming Cybertruck and new Semi, which will further stoke Tesla's revenue fire. Is it time to give Tesla more attention? Now might be the ideal time to ride the Tesla train if you share Buffett, Cramer. But do you know who else is as optimistic about Tesla as Cramer and Buffett? Our pals from Seeking Alpha. There is more to Tesla's remarkable success than merely watching from the sidelines. With the most recent information on Tesla, stock price targets, innovation, and all things Elon Musk, Seeking Alpha is the one-stop shop for Tesla bulls and those with an eye for finding the next big thing in the stock market. The greatest online source of pro-Tesla news is Seeking Alpha. Get down to the facts and avoid the lamestream media's anti-Tesla rhetoric. For a unique discount, click the link in the description. There are competitors in the works, even though Tesla's return to trillion-dollar glory may not be as exciting as Nvidia's. Let's not overlook AMD, though. Cramer has a fondness for it. Regarding NYCB, insider buying isn't usually a red flag. If they don't know their own banks, why trust their buying habits, is a quote from Mom. Tesla's fully autonomous driving technology, which allows cars to navigate on their own, is a paradigm leap in transportation. With Tesla's proposed robotaxi network, FSD not only makes driving more convenient for drivers, but also creates new business opportunities. Imagine using your smartphone to call a Tesla car and allowing it to transport people on its own, completely changing urban transportation. Let's now discuss the Semi and Cybertruck. These cars represent Tesla's dedication to safety and innovation, and it goes beyond their electric drivetrains. The Cybertruck is poised to revolutionize the pickup truck market thanks to its futuristic look and sturdy construction. The Semi, on the other hand, is revolutionizing commercial transportation and not just a way to move cargo. The Semi has the potential to greatly lower accident rates and increase road safety when outfitted with Tesla's cutting-edge control systems and safety measures. However, this is where things start to get interesting. Sustainability is just as important to Tesla's Semi as road safety. Tesla wants to lessen the environmental effect of freight transportation by switching from diesel-powered trucks to electric semis. This is in line with Tesla's overarching goal of hastening the global switch to sustainable energy. Redefining the future of transportation is at the heart of Tesla's growth plan, not merely selling automobiles. Tesla's roadmap is full with opportunities to upend several industries and promote positive change on a worldwide basis, from electric trucks to FSD. Furthermore, by prioritizing sustainability and safety, Tesla is creating more than simply automobiles. It is creating a brighter future for everybody. However, we must not ignore Elon Musk, the guy behind the scenes. Whether you like him or not, he has played a significant role in Tesla's success. Furthermore, Tesla's history speaks for itself, even though yesterday's call may have left some people perplexed. Following years of tremendous growth, Tesla is set to embark on yet another incredible chapter. With rivals like the build that grew after them, 2024 looks to be a difficult year for Tesla. It's time for Tesla to improve. They delivered 1.8 million cars last year, but they have fierce competition. They might be saved by the $25,000 model, but time is everything. Not to be overlooked is their secret weapon, the Tesla Energy division, which is expanding at a remarkable rate of 54% every year. They are vying for the title of largest utility in the world. However, pressure is mounting as the Chinese market heats up. Speaking of China, BYD's competitive car portfolio is causing a stir. Can Tesla, however, stay up? Although Musk has occasionally fallen short of his lofty goals, the model's first sales may be on schedule for the following year. The worst part is that Tesla's goal is to dominate the worldwide EV market, with China at the forefront, rather than merely making cars. Although Tesla is looking to expand internationally, the true game changer now goes beyond pricing and range. The new battlegrounds are privacy and tariffs. Can Tesla successfully negotiate these hazy seas and come out on top? Tesla isn't giving up, even though BYD offers fierce competition with its alluring car selection. Even though they are sometimes off the mark, Elon Musk's ambitious deadlines still have potential, and their model may see initial sales as early as next year. Although Tesla is well positioned to establish itself in the Chinese market, the company has much bigger plans than just selling automobiles. The goal is to dominate the global market for electric vehicles, with China spearheading the adoption of EVs. Although range and pricing are no longer the only factors, Tesla acknowledges the significance of global expansive profit. With ambition